This is Oppo Reno 5Z smartphone, and today we would like to showcase how you can enable the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So first of all, let me show how does the keyboard on this smartphone look without the separate number row. From here you want to either tap on this cog icon over here and go directly for the Gboard settings, or you can also launch the general settings app, then enter the additional settings category. Next go for the keyboard and input method, Gboard, or should I say current keyboard. Already, yeah, just simply go for the manage keyboard settings. It is not here as well, my bad. Yeah, just tap on the Gboard right over there, as you can see in the available keyboard section. Then go for the preferences, and in here all that it's left to do is to turn on the number row toggle, and as you will see now, that will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.